Okay, what I'm going to do here real quick is I've got this little device. You don't need this necessarily, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to core an apple here because we're going to serve this dinner with an apple. And I'm just going to get it started on this thing, and then we're going to go like that, and we've got our apple cored. And then we can put this into the stick, and all we have to do then is pick out the core and throw it away, and then we'll pick out the good pieces. We're going to, let me turn the camera here, and let's see if we can't zoom in a little bit. What we're going to do is we're going to set this onto our plate for our lady, and then we're going to grab our fish as soon as I find my spatula, and we're going to lay our fish over here, and we're going to keep all of the good juices there. Nobody wants dry fish. And then I'm going to pull out of the oven, we're going to pull our mashed potatoes and make sure we've canceled the oven so that we don't waste energy. And then we're going to grab pretty much, man, I wish I had a scoop. Let me look, don't panic. I'll do all the panicking. I'm thinking to myself, this is what I would like to do. I want to lay scoops of mashed potatoes just like that onto my lady's dish. That's what I want to do. What do you think? And then what we can do, we can also lay on, can we see what this is looking like? Maybe I need to zoom in a little bit. I really need somebody that knows what the hell they're doing with a camera. Okay, let's do that. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay on a little bit of butter here because, and I should have, the next episode, I think we need, oh my God, this looks so good. I can't wait to dive into this. I think what we need, let's set this off to the side. Oh Lord, look at this. Is this good or what? Look at this. Oh my God. This is heaven. Any apples? I gotta tell you, this is incredible. Absolutely incredible. Tell me that it's not good.